My video tutorial is about getting rid of the pop-up notifications related to the website topelthere.com. Topelthere.com stands for a dangerous site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This site basically tries to make you click on allow, supposedly to help you continue your browsing. But in reality, if you mistakenly click on that allow button, your browser will be hijacked and infected with multiple and really annoying advertisements. If you do not want to see these ads, you need to get your browser urgently fixed, so access the menu, Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications. Now you need to carefully get rid of all these junk sites if you identify their presence on the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of them. Also, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and then start thoroughly researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and effectively eliminate all other threats which would possibly still stealthily remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.